everyone. Welcome to the GCSE Maths exam sprint series. Rapid fire revision to get you exam ready fast. Here's an exam style question on forming and solving equations. Please pause the video, give it a try. When you are ready to check the answer, press play. A student spends 1/3 of their money on books and a quarter of the remaining money on a calculator. They are left with £36. How much money did the student have at the start? Now, we don't know the amount of money that this person had, so let's call that X. A student spends 1/3 of their money on books. So, for buying books, this student spent 1/3 of X. So that's okay. And now this is the really important one here. Quarter of the remaining money. Now, the person had X amount of money to start with. Now, 1/3 X was spent on books. So obviously, the remaining money is 2/3 of X. And from that, a quarter was spent on a calculator. So quarter of that. So I can simplify this a little further. So I get 2x over 3 times 4 is 12. And I can simplify this further. It will be x over 6. So I know the student spent x over 6 on the calculator, x over 3 or 1/3 x on books. Now, how much did they actually spend in total? Let's have a look. X over 3, this is the same as 1/3 x, right? 1/3 or x over 3. Add x over 6. This is how much this person spent. So let's simplify this further. I'm going to multiply this one by 2 to get the same denominator. Do the same thing to the other side. So I get 2x over 6, add x over 6. So common denominator 6, 2x add 1x is 3x over 6. So 3 goes into 6 twice. So the student has spent x over 2. This is the amount of money that the student has spent. Now the question says the student is left with £36. So that's a remainder. Oh, so the person started with x over 2 was spent. Now the remainder will also be x over 2, obviously. Now that we know is £36. So the question is, what was the total amount of money? Very easy. If x over 2 is 36, the total amount x would be just double 36. The final answer is £72. Now, whenever you do a question like that, there's a way of checking whether you got it right. So all we need to do is plug this value in and then see if that works. Let's check this one. So this is a check. Now, you don't need to show this in the exam. This is just a check. Okay, you can do it yourself just to see if you got it right. The student spent 1/3 of their money. So what is 1/3 of 72? That's £24 was spent on books. Okay. Now, a quarter of the remaining money. So how much money is remaining? The student had 72, spent 24. So 72 take away 24 gives you £48. Okay. So from that, a quarter was spent on a calculator. So that is £12. This is the calculator. The amount of money spent was 24 and 12, 36. And the question says they are left with £36. The total expenditure is also £36, which perfectly works with this number. So we know the initial amount we got is actually correct.